My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from this special website called Mmentrandi.xyz. Mmentrandi.xyz is the website that displays repeated advertisements in the form of web push notifications. It tries to make you click on this special allow button which is integrated into it. However, clicking on allow button is dangerous and this may infect your browser with numerous advertisements that will be displayed as permanent push notifications. If you click on allow, these problems will start to happen. First of all, you may be redirected to some other junk content. Also, you may start receiving the great number of advertisements that will be shown randomly in the right part of the computer screen. If you have clicked on allow button, definitely it was a mistake. So now let us fix it manually. First of all, go to the menu, settings, choose security and privacy, site settings, go to permissions area, and now choose notifications. So pay very careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site, Mmentrandi, click on this button and remove it from the list. We also recommend researching and investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.